How to make a CRM in Airtable. So first go to Airtable. Next is just click on the templates here at the bottom left corner. Next is you just need to search for CRM, and you can choose among the templates here what kind of CRM that you're going to use. So let's say I want to make a personal CRM, so just click on this one, then just click on try this template. Okay, now let's just wait for this to load. Okay, now here, you can also import your work here. So let's say, okay, now as you can see, you can also see the example data here for the CRM, and so you can see you just created your own personal CRM. So you just need to import all of your data here and customize it however you want to fit your personal style. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.